Sir Ivan. We are the group 4 and we're gonna talk about preparing the conclusion, editing or revising, rehearsing, and some guidelines in speech writing.
Hi, my name is Maturayan B. Pungkol, and today we're going to talk about preparing the conclusion. The conclusion restates the main idea of your speech. Furthermore, it provides a summary, emphasizes the message, and calls for action. While the primary goal of the introduction is to get the attention of your audience, the conclusion aims to leave the audience with a memorable statement. The conclusion means the ending or the final part of something. It's what you say or write at the end to wrap everything up, to summarize what your speech. Thank you.
The following are some strategies. Number one, begin your conclusion with a restatement of your message. Begin your conclusion with a restatement of your message. Means that when you start writing your conclusion, you should repeat or rephrase your main idea or thesis. The key point you wanted your audience to remember. Number two, use positive examples, encouraging words, or memorable lines from song or stories familiar to your audience. That phrase means when you are writing or speaking, you should include positive examples, encouraging words, or memorable lines, like from songs or stories that your audience already knows or relates to make your message more inspiring and easier to remember. And number three, what is a question or series of questions that can make your audience reflect or ponder. That means when you're giving a speech or writing, you can end by asking questions that will make your audience think deeply about your message even after you're done talking.
Hello everyone, and Sir Ivan. I'm Kirsten Angelica F. Go from GAS11A, reporting about editing or revising. But first, what is editing or revising? Editing or revising your written speech involves correcting errors in mechanics such as grammar, punctuation, capitalization, unity, coherence, and others. Andrew Dlugan, 2013, an award-winning public speaker. Ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng mga ito? Ang editing or revising ay proseso ng pagwawasto ng mga pagkakamali sa isang written speech or correcting some errors in a written speech. Kabilang dito ang pag-ayos ng grammar, punctuation, capitalization, unity, coherence at iba pang bahagi ng mechanics ng pagsulat. Ano nga ba yung mga grammar, punctuation, capitalization, unity, coherence? Ang grammar ay ito yung correct way ng paggamit ng words at sentence structure para maging tama at malinaw ang meaning. Yung punctuation naman, ito yung paggamit ng mga bantas tulad ng period, comma, exclamation marks, at question mark para hindi nakakalito basahin ang sentence. Unity naman. Unity means that all parts of your speech or writing focus on one main idea. Nakafocus ka lang sa isang main idea. Hindi ka papalit sa ibang topic. Huwag ka mag-iiba. Nakafocus ka lang sa isang idea. Lahat ng sentence at details ay magkakaugnay at tumutulong para maipahayag ang isang mensahe. Yung gusto mong to deliver a message. Tapos yung coherence, ito yung ibig sabihin lahat ng ideas mo ay connected at smooth ang daloy ng thought or yung isip o idea. Kaya madali maintindihan ng reader or listener. At ayon iba pang mga bahagi ng mechanics ng pagsusulat. Tapos, ayon kay Andrew Dlugan, 2013, isang award-winning public speaker, ang editing at revising ay mahalaga hakbang upang mas mapaganda ang kalidad ng talumpati or speech. Sa pamamagitan nito, nagiging mas malinaw or clear, maayos at epektibo ang mensaheng gustong iparating sa mga taga-pakinig or yung listeners. In short, ang editing at revising ay hindi lang basta pagwawasto ng mali, yung mga errors na correcting, kundi isang paraan upang mas mapahusay at mapalakas ang kabuuang epekto ng iyong speech. That's all my report.
Rehearsing. Rehearsing gives you an opportunity to identify what works or what does not work for you and for your target audience. Some strategies include reading your speech aloud recording for your own analysis and for your peers or coaches to give feedback on your delivery. The best things to remember at this stage is constant practice makes perfect. Rehearsing means practicing your speech before your actual presentation. It helps to find out what parts of your speech are effective or what are parts need improvement. By rehearsing, you can adjust the tone, timing, and gesture to make your message clear and more engaging for your audience. Ang pag-rehearse po ay makakatulong sa atin upang malaman natin kung ano ang ating babaguhin. Kung bibilisan ba natin siya or babagalan natin. Kung tataasan ba or bababaan natin yung tono. Kasi kung isang beses lang po tayo nag-rehearse is parang hindi po magiging clear sa tagapakinig yung speech na sasabihin natin. Ito po ang example natin sa rehearsing. Bago ang kanyang graduation speech, si Maria ay napopractice sa harap ng salamin at kanyang inirecord ang kanyang sarili. Napansin niya po na mabilis ang kanyang pagsasalita kaya ito ay kanyang binagalan. Yun po ang ating example. So, kailangan po talaga natin ng rehearsing para malaman po natin kung ano po ang babaguhin natin sa tono at para maging maganda po sa mga tenga ng mga tagapakinig.
Lastly, we have here some guidelines in speech writing. Keep your words short and simple. Your speech is meant to be heard by your audience, not read. Of course, not all the time pumapasok sa isip ng audience natin lahat ng mga sinasabi natin. So we needed to keep it short and simple para naman mas maintindihan nila ito in an easiest way possible. Dahil hindi ito binabasa na kailangan ng mahahabang words at pwedeng ulit-ulitin kapag hindi nila maintindihan. Avoid jargon, acronyms, or technical words because they can confuse your audience. Kasi what if gumamit ka ng acronym, tapos iba yung meaning sa'yo, pero iba din yung meaning sa audience. So anong nangyari? Confusion, misunderstanding. Make your speech more personal. Use the personal pronoun I, but take care not to overuse it. When you need to emphasize collectiveness with your audience, use the personal pronoun we. We use the personal pronoun I when we refer to ourselves kasi nga personal yung speech. Pero we use personal pronoun we kapag sinasama natin ang audience natin sa speech. Use active verbs and contractions because they add to the personal and conversational tone of your speech. Of course, pag nagsispeech tayo, hindi lang naman tayo nagsasalita. So we use active verbs and contractions para naman parang nakikipag-usap lang tayo sa audience natin. Be sensitive of your audience. Be careful with your language, jokes, and non-verbal cues. Kasi what if hindi kayo magka-same humor? Hindi parehas ang humor niyo. Nag-joke ka sa kanila. Nag-joke ka sa audience mo. Pero what if hindi nila naintindihan yan as a joke? Naging offensive sa kanila pero hindi naman offensive sa'yo. Nakasakit ka pa ng damdamin. Use metaphors and other figures of speech to effectively convey your point. Siyempre, kung gusto mong mas maayos ang deliver ng point mo sa speech mo, we use metaphors and other figures of speech. Manage your time well. Make sure that the speech falls under the time limit. Kung may time limit ang speech, kailangan paghandaan natin ito para umabot lang tayo sa time limit at hindi na sumobra pa. And that's all for the reporting of Group 4. Thank you for watching.